Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make CAS run faster in The Sims 3. First, close the game if it is open. Open your web browser and search for the NROS Master Controller mod. Open the official NROS website and download the Master Controller base mod. Make sure it matches your game version. Next, search for the NROS Master Controller integration mod and download it as well. Both files are required. After downloading, open your Downloads folder. If the files are zipped, right-click and extract them. You will see package files inside. Now open Documents, then Electronic Arts, then The Sims 3. Open the Mods folder and then the Packages folder. If these folders do not exist, create them. Copy both NROS package files and paste them into the Packages folder. Close everything and start The Sims 3. When the game loads, you should see a message confirming that NROS mods are working. Enter Create a Sim. Click on your sim and choose the clothing category you want. Click on the sim and open the NROS menu, then select Master Controller. Find the option called Show in Compact Form and turn it on for outfits, accessories, and hats. This limits how many swatches load at once and helps CAS run faster. After doing this, Create a Sim should load quicker and feel smoother. Thanks for watching.